Have you ever wondered how those everyday plastic bottles are made? It's a fascinating journey, from tiny plastic pellets to a finished, consumer-ready product. Plastic bottles are ubiquitous in modern life, used for everything from water and soda to cleaning products and pharmaceuticals. But what goes into making them? They are essential for safe, convenient storage and transport of liquids, meeting the high demand for packaged beverages globally. The most common plastic used is polyethylene terephthalate, or PET, chosen for its strength, lightness, and safety for food and beverages. The process begins long before the bottle takes shape, starting with the preparation of the raw plastic material itself. The raw plastic comes in the form of small, hard pellets, often called resin. These are the fundamental building blocks of the entire process. These pellets are first fed into large heating machines, where they are melted down into a thick, molten liquid, ready for the first major shaping stage. The first phase is the creation of the preform, which is achieved through a process called injection molding. The molten plastic is rapidly injected into highly precise molds to create thick, short, tube-like shapes with a screw-top neck, known as preforms. These preforms are quickly cooled and solidified, maintaining the integrity of the bottle's neck, which won't be modified later in the process. The preforms are now ready for the second and final shaping process, blow molding, where they take their characteristic bottle shape. The preforms are first reheated to an exact temperature, making them pliable, and then mechanically stretched to the desired bottle length. High-pressure air is then rapidly blown into the reheated and stretched preforms, forcing the plastic to expand against a cool mold, forming the final bottle shape. Once the bottles are formed, they undergo strict quality control measures and final preparation before they are ready for filling. Automated vision systems and human inspectors check for any defects in size, clarity, weight, and consistency before the bottles move forward. Any excess plastic or flash created during the molding process is precisely trimmed from the base and neck of the bottle. With the bottle fully formed and inspected, the next step is branding, filling, and preparing the bottles for distribution. Automated machines apply labels, barcodes, and any required safety information to the finished containers. The labeled bottles are then bundled, boxed, or shrink-wrapped and loaded onto pallets, ready to be shipped out to retailers and consumers globally. From pellets to product, the plastic bottle factory process is a marvel of modern engineering. Always remember the crucial final step, recycling, to complete the cycle and ensure sustainability.